This 2017 Ford Focus LZ Titanium is exclusive to Midway Ford, Perth's family-run and independent Ford dealership. This car is a factory demonstrator with very low kilometres and the remainder of its new car warranty. You can also check out our amazing finance specials on offer to help make this car easily affordable. This Ford Focus LZ Titanium is the new current model. It is a very high-tech car equipped with an 8-inch touch colour screen, Apple CarPlay, sat-nav with traffic message channel, text message support, rear view cameras and sensors, and a smart keyless entry with push-button start. This Focus comes with a sunroof and is a very spacious car for a small hatchback. This car can be made easily affordable with our amazing finance specials on offer at Midway Ford, Perth's family-run and independent Ford dealership.